Hello and welcome to this quick tip tutorial. Today's tutorial, I'm using Lightroom. I'm going to show you how to select the correct white balance throughout an image. Really easy and very straightforward to use. What I'm going to do is to get a better view of the image, I'm just going to move the exposure slider up slightly so it'll brighten up the image so I can select the best white balance I possibly can within the image itself. To do this, you've got two ways of doing it. You can go over to the right hand side and you'll see an image of a tool which looks like an eyedropper. This is your white balance selector, or alternatively by pressing the letter W you will select this automatically. Now what this will do is if you move it around the image, if you look to the left hand side where your navigator is, where the picture of the image is, by moving the selector you will see that changing, and all I'm doing is moving this over to that. Now, obviously, you've also got a target box as well, which will give you as much information as you can to where you're going to select the image from. The reason why this has got a cast over it is because it was the photograph was taken through glass, which has also got a green tinge to the actual glass itself. Obviously, with it being thick, it's going to have some type of impact on your image. This is where the white balance kicks in. So if I click on the most neutral bit of the image, which is in this case is like a white grey, obviously because it's silver, as is a silverback, that's the actual neutral white balance that I can choose. And it's as simple as that. It really, really is. If you feel that it's not the right white balance, and you can do better by pressing the letter W, you can move your slider over again and keep doing this procedure until you feel that the white balance is correct for yourself. And that's it. So I hope that's helped a lot of you out. Until next time, thanks for watching and bye for now.